Hi, this is Maninder, and today we are going to discuss and learn about a issue when we are trying to install our Anaconda. And that issue is, I'm going to show you a picture for that issue. That issue is this one, like fail to create menu. When you are trying to install Anaconda, after everything is going smoothly, and suddenly you will get this prompt that fail to create menu. Why this is happening, and how we can overcome this one, we are going to discuss today. So whenever we are getting this kind of issues, first of all we need to go to a particular link, that is the official website for Anaconda, where you will get all your problem solutions. Like it's a trouble kind of stuff. So we will go to that link, and that link is this one, troubleshooting docs.anaconda.com/anaconda users guide slash troubleshooting. Here you will get all your questions like what the error you are getting. Based upon your error, you can go to a particular link and click that one, and you will see the solution for that. Like Anaconda installation download problem. If you are facing any issue on the download, we can go and follow this one. Command prompt installations, at that time we can go and follow this one. And the good thing is the everything, it is for Windows, it is for Linux, it is for Mac. For everything you will find your solutions for here. So this is the site, and I'm going to give this link in my description sections, so you can go and check. And there are sometime what happen, still we will go to this document, because I have also suffered this one, so I am telling you on my experience. Still we will refer this document. Generally on Windows 7 and lower versions, when we just want to install our Anaconda, at that time we face this problem that we unable to create menu. So for that, what we need to do, we need to go to this location. This is nothing but a repository where you can find all the released version of Anaconda till date. Like is Anaconda 2, this is for Linux. Anaconda 2, this is for Linux, both for 64 and 32-bit for Linux, Macs, Windows, everything. Anaconda 2, 3, everything you will get here. So based upon your sister requirement, you just go and click that one. Suppose I'm going to install for Windows this one, Anaconda 3.5 and Windows 64. When I'm going to click this one, when I'm going to download this one, simply go and download and install that one. And I'm giving this word that what you will download from this repository, there will be no issues, because I was facing the same issues and I able to solve this one. So and help you to solve your problem. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.